So, hello, namaskar to the all chemistry lovers and doctors and engineers of the near future, especially for the class 11th, because of it's a basic class for the NEET and IIT. In previous video, we have discussed about the just first chart regarding to first chart as a just 9 function group. Now we'll go with the just 10 function group. As a 9 function group, we have discussed about the just number 1 alkyl halide, number 2 is your alcohol, number 3 is your 1 degree amine, number 4 is your 2 degree amine, number 5 is your 3 degree amine, number 6 is your just cyanide, number 7 is your isocyanide, number 8 is your just ether, and number 9 is your as a just you can say ketone also. Now I would like to go with the just 10 function group, that is very important. And what is that? Listen me careful. This is the 10 function group as a RSH. As a RSH, this is called as generally called as thioalcohol. Thioalcohol. If we'll go with the common system, then it is also called as alkyl thioalcohol. Alkyl thioalcohol. So now the time to discuss about the practice. This is your CS3SH. Number 2 compound is your CS3CS2SH. Number 3 compound is your CS3CS2CS2SH. Number 4 compound is your CS3. This is the CHCS3 and this is the SH. If we'll go with the further 5th compound, then we can take CS3. This is the CH2, CS2, CS2 and SH. If I'll go with the further 6th compound, then this is the CS3, this is the CHCS3, this is the CS2SH. Now I would like to go with the 7th compound. What is that? As the 7th compound, we can take CS3, CHCS2, CS3 as a SH. This is the 8th compound, we can take CS3. This is the CCS3, CS3 and SH. If we'll go with the just 9th compound, then we can take, this is the 9th compound, CS3, CS2, CS2, CS2 and this is the CS2 and SH. Now the 10th compound is your CS3, CH, this is the SH, this is your CHCS3 and CS3, this is your SH. Now I would like to go with the 11th compound. This is the CH triple bond, CCS2SH. This is your 12th compound. 12th compound we can take as a CH2 double bond CHSH, and this is the 13th compound. As a 13th compound we can take CS2 double bond CH. This is the CS2 and SH. So these are the just practice regarding to your common system of the just thioalcohol. If we'll go with the name, then this is the methyl and rest is your thioalcohol. So it will be as a methyl thioalcohol. Methyl thioalcohol. If I'll go with this, then it is called as ethyl. So the name of compound will be ethyl thioalcohol. If I'll go with the further, then this is also called as N-propyl thioalcohol. Thioalcohol. For this, it is called as isopropyl thioalcohol. This is called as N-butyl thioalcohol, and this is called as isobutyl thioalcohol, the name of compound. And the name of this compound is your secondary butyl thioalcohol. Secondary butyl thioalcohol. This is called as 3-degree or tert butyl thioalcohol. Now the next compound is your N-pentyl or N-amyl also. N-pentyl thioalcohol. If I go with the further, then this is called as iso secondary active pentyl thioalcohol. Thioalcohol. This is called as again your propargyl thioalcohol. This is your vinyl thioalcohol. Now अब आपको ये सब चीज लर्न हो जानी चाहिए. This is your allyl thioalcohol. This is the allyl thioalcohol. This was about the just common name of the thioalcohol. One thing is also important. If I'll go with this compound, this is the CS3SH. Its application CS3SH is also called as mercaptan, and it is used in LPG, liquid petroleum gas में इसका यूज करते हैं ताकि लीकिंग इसकी स्मेल से पता लग जाए. दिस वाज अबाउट द thiol. Now the time to discuss about the 11th function group, that is too important. That is called as thioether. So this is the 11th function group, that is your thioether. This is the 11th function group, RSR, thioether. If you will go with the again the type of the thioether, then it will be two types of the thioether. If suppose this one is R dash, then first is your R is equals to R dash when R is not equals to R dash. When both are same, then you will say just it is called as symmetrical or simple ether, simple thioether, because sulfur group is called as thia group according to nomenclature. This is called as asymmetrical, or you can say mixed ether also. If you go with the just symmetrical ether, then what is the name of just symmetrical ether? Then it is your dialkyl thioether, and these are known as alphabetically alkyl thioether, alkyl thioether. If I'll go with the example, then we can take CS3 as a symmetrical or simple thioether, and if we go with the just asymmetrical, then we can take example of CS3, CS2 and CS3. So this was about the just symmetrical and asymmetrical thioether. Now the time to discuss about the nomenclature. So for the nomenclature, first practice is your CS3, SCS3. Second practice is your CS3 SCS2CS3. Third practice you can take CS3. This is the S. CS2 CS2 CS3. This is the third question. If we'll go with the fourth question, then we can take CS3 CS2 SCS2 CS3. If I'll go with the further, then fifth question is your CS3 CS2 SCS2 CS2 CS3. This is the sixth question. CS3 CS2. This is the SCH CS3 and CS3. This is the seventh question. CS3. This is your CH CS3, CH and CS3 and CS3. This is the eighth question. What may? This may as follows: CS2 CH as CS3. This is the 10th question, 9th question. We can take CS3 CCS3. This is the CS3. This is the S. This is the CS2C triple bond CH. And 10th compound we can take C6S5 as C6S5. As a 11th compound we can take C6H5 as CS3. As a 12th compound we can take just your CS2 double bond CH, CH. This is your SCH double bond CS2. This is your 13th compound. You can take CS2 double bond. This is your CH, S and CH. You can take C6H5. So these are the important compounds regarding to the thioether. If we'll go with the nomenclature, then both are alkyl group, same group. So it will be use of dialkyl ether. So the name will be dimethyl ether, the name of compound. For this it will be alphabetically. This is the ethyl, this is the methyl. So it will be ethyl, methyl, thioether, thioether. Here will also use of dimethyl thioether, dimethyl thioether. Here is your methyl, this is the N-propyl. So this will be methyl N-propyl thioether, thioether. That's why dialkyl thioether and alkyl thioether. This is the alkyl thioether. So here will use of diethyl thioether. This is your ethyl and N-propyl. So you will call it ethyl N-propyl thioether. If you will go with this, then this is the ethyl isopropyl thioether, thioether. This is called as diisopropyl thioether. This is called as just vinyl, and this is the methyl. So methyl vinyl thioether, and this is the just tert-butyl. This is your propargyl. So tert-butyl or 3-degree butyl, tert or 3-degree butyl. It will use of only one. Either you can use tert or you can use 3-degree. So 3-degree butyl. This is called as propargyl, propargyl thioether. Now for this it will be diphenyl thioether, diphenyl thioether. For this it will be, this is the methyl, this is the phenyl. It's too simple. So it will be use of methyl phenyl thioether. Thioether. For this, it will be di-vinyl thioether. Thioether. This is the vinyl and this is the phenyl. So phenyl, vinyl, thioether. The name of the just thioether. This was about the 11th function group as a thioether. Now the time to discuss about the 12th and the last function group of table A as a thioketone. What is that? Listen me carefully. Thioketone. It is also useful in many of industrial compounds. That's why we have to discuss about this compound. This is your 12th function group as a thioketone. This is the 12th function group as a thioketone. R, this is the C, this is the R, double bond S. Thioketone. If you will go with the again type of the thioketone, then there may two types of the thioketone. One of the just this may as a R dash also. So you can say whenever R is equals to R dash, when R is not equals to R dash, then this is called as symmetrical thioketone, and both are different, then it is called as asymmetrical thioketone. This is the thioketone. For the symmetrical, it will use of just you can say dialkyl thioketone. This will be alphabetically alkyl thioketone. Regarding to just symmetrical, we can take the example of CS3, C double bond S. This is the CS3. And for the asymmetrical thioketone, we can take double bond S, CS2 and CS3. This is the symmetrical while this is the asymmetrical. If we'll go with the practice, then we can take CS3. This is the C double bond S, CS3, the first compound. Second compound, we can take CS3, CS2, C double bond S, CS2 and CS3. Third compound, we can take CS3, C double bond S, CS2 and CS3. This is the fourth compound, CS3, CH, this is SCHCS3 and this is the CS3. This is the C and double bond S. Now the time to discuss about the fifth question, CS3, CCS3. This is the C double bond S, CHCS3 and CS3. You can take sixth compound as a C6S5, C double bond S. This is the C6S5. This is the seventh compound, C6H5. This is the C double bond S, CH double bond CS2. This is the eighth compound. We can take CH2 double bond CH, C double bond S, CH double bond CS2. This is the ninth compound. As you can take important, that is the CH2 double bond CHCS2. This is the C double bond S. This is the CS3. This is the 10th compound, is your CS2 double bond CHCS2, C double bond S CS2, CS double bond CS2. This was the just important compounds. First of all, we'll go with the first compound. This is called, as both are same alkyl group, so it is called as dialkyl. As a dialkyl group is your methyl, so it will be your dimethyl thioether, dimethyl thioether. This is the diethyl thioether. This is your, you can say ethyl, and this is the methyl. So this will be your ethyl methyl thioether. This is the isopropyl, both are, so you will say isopropyl thioether. This is the secondary butyl, and this is the isopropyl, so this is called as secondary butyl isopropyl thioether. This is your diphenyl thioether, this is your just phenyl, this is the vinyl, so this will be vinyl thioether. Sorry, it's just thioketone because of it's a CS, so here we'll use of thioketone. If it was S, then it will be just thioether. So thioketone, here is also thioketone, and this is the thioketone. All are mistaken. Thioketone. This is the thioketone. This is the thioketone. This is the thioketone. This is your thioketone. This is your thioketone. That's why we are using a thioketone. Both are right. So if I'll go with this, then both are just vinyl. So you will say divinyl thioketone. Divinyl thioketone. This is called as allyl, and this is the methyl, so it will be allyl methyl thioketone. This is called as allyl, and this is also allyl, so diallyl thioketone. So this was about the just 12 function group as a thioketone. So we will meet in the next video with the just table B as a common system. Till then शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ताकि एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे हम एक कारवा क्रिएट कर सके, उन बच्चों तक भी मेरी पहुंच सके जो मुझसे अभी भी नहीं जुड़ सके हैं. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.